Dear Diary, today is my first official day as Princess of Genovia. We'll land in a few hours and I'll meet the Parliament and the people before beginning my...
Besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Morning besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who do not know me, my name is Ruth. Welcome to my episode 1 of Princess Diaries. As you can read by today's title, we'll be doing things that I do to feel more feminine and girly. Emphasis on the I, because these are just little habits and tricks that I do to feel more feminine and girly. So yeah, and you should do it too if you want to be feminine and girly. We will learn together, we'll explore together. I'll show you, explain to you all the good things that I do. So yeah, let's go. Being feminine to me isn't about being perfect. It's about the little habits that make me feel confident and put together every single day. I always start with my dental care because a pretty smile changes everything. And lately I've been using baking soda to help keep my teeth looking whiter. Then it's time for skincare because glowing skin will forever be the best essential when doing skincare. Remember to apply the extra products to your hands and neck. Try today. After skincare comes body care, the real glow up step. Layering oils, lotion, then perfume keeps your skin looking glowing and smelling amazing all day long. So you look soft, smell expensive, and feel confident all day long. You guys already saw my curly hair routine, but these are the hair products I swear by to keep my curls soft, healthy, and smelling amazing. My everyday makeup is super simple and natural. Just a little blush, lip gloss, and sometimes highlighter when I want that extra feminine glow. Jewelry also makes such a difference. When I'm staying home, putting on my cute watch set, my chain, my bangles, instantly makes me feel more classic and girly. And of course, every girly girl needs her cute, everyday cute essentials. This is my everyday bag and the essentials I take with me everywhere. Can you believe my blush fell apart? I still can't get over it, guys. I love wearing matching sets at home because looking cute in private honestly change your whole mood and your mindset. Like I told you guys before, get 3 or 2 matching sets and put them in rotation, and I promise you, you will feel more feminine and girly every single day. These are the matching sets that I have. And to finish everything off, I make lemon water. It's refreshing and healthy. Makes me feel like I'm taking care of myself from the inside out. I made clover tea as well on my other videos, so you guys should go check that out. At the end of the day, staying feminine is really just about romanticizing your life and taking care of yourself in a way that makes you feel beautiful and confident. Okay, bye besties. The end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos of me. And let me know, like, what was your favorite part of the whole tips and tricks part? What part of it will you install in your daily life? And let me know, what do you do to feel more feminine and girly? Because we are girlies that's growing, we are girlies that's learning. So let me know in the comments. Don't leave this video without commenting what was your favorite part. So yeah, besties, see you next week. Oh, you know you make me float.